Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to OneClass YouTube channel. My name is Devansh and today we are going to go through a couple of popular mathematics Q&A. These question and answers are going to be at university and high school level. So a little bit background about myself. So basically I'm basically in the final year of my graduation and I'm doing my graduation in aerospace engineering. And that is pretty much all for my introduction. And if you need any tutoring help or if you need any one-to-one live sessions, then you can check the links in the description below. And so without wasting the time, let's just begin with the questions we have today. So I have the questions. These questions are basically going to be at these looks like they are basically at high school or maybe junior school level. So we have the first question. It is in two parts. It is just a minute. Yeah, so we need to list the factors of 40 from smallest to largest. 40 factors. And the B part is we need to do the prime factorization of 294. So first we'll start with the A part. So we need to write the factors of 40. So I will do the prime factorization in this case. So the safest number here, as we can see that 40 is an even number, so I can divide this with 2 and this will become 20. Again I'll divide by 2, this will become 10. Again I'll go for 2, this will become 5, then 5, 1. So I can write 40 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. But basically this is not the answer. It is asking from smallest to largest possible values. So let's say for smallest I can just write so for 40 I can write 1 is the smallest number, then we have a 2 here, then we can multiply this 2 with 2 which will give us 4, then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, then we have 5, so I'll just write 5 here, t, and then we'll just multiply all these terms and we'll get 40. So for the smallest to largest possible factors of 40 are 1, 2, 4, then I'm not sure that why this internet, I think that I don't know what kind of problems I'm facing today, but yeah. So the factors were 1, 2, 4, then we can write 5, then we can say 8, then 10, 20, 40, and the answer also given here is the same. So I'll just go for B part. So for B part we need to do the prime factorization of 294. So we'll just do in this manner, in the similar fashion. So I'll just scroll this page and I can write 294 this will be 2 1s are 2, this will be 2 4s are 8, and 14 will be 2 7 times. Then I can clearly see that this number can be divisible by 7 because here we have 14 and 7. So this will be 14 will be 2 times and 7 will be 1 time. Then this number can again can be divided by 7 as 7 3s are 21, and now 3. So I can write 294 as 2 into 7 into 7 into 3. And yeah, again I can just say 2 into 3 into, I can write 7 into 7 as 7 square. So that is pretty much all, I think. So the solution also given here is the same, and I'll just say correct solution. And good work. So the solution is correct here. Yeah, so we have another question. So we need to find the factors of negative of 45 such that the factors add up to negative of 12. First I'll just scroll the page. So, and I'll take black pen for this question. So I have this negative of 45. What I'll do is that I'll just write the factors of this. I'll just write the factors for 45. So this will become 5 times 9. Then 9 is 3 times. So I can write negative 45 as negative of, let's say, 3 into 5. Now I'll just split this term. So this can be written as negative of 9 times 5 minus 45 can be written as negative of 3 times 3 5 is 15. Negative of 45 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 9 is over. Yeah, so we can write it as 45 into 1. So let's say negative 45 into 1. So what we need to do is we need to add these numbers, these factors. So if I add negative 5 with 5, I will get negative 4, which is not equal to negative 12. In this case, also I will not get, so basically I'll just write one more where it will be 3 into negative of 15. So in this case we can see that the sum of 15 and negative 3 is 12, but we need a negative 12, so this is again not the answer. In this case the sum will be minus 45 plus 1, this will become minus 44, and again this is not the answer. In this case we can see that we have minus of 15, and if we add 3 to this, then this will become minus 15 plus 3, this will be minus of 12, and that is the answer which we needed. So yeah, the answer given here, answer will be negative 15 and 3, and the answer given by Junior Tutor is correct. So correct solution. Good work. For the third question, I'll use this green pen, and I will just scroll this down, and I'll just expand this. So how come 124 and 36 are divided by 4 while negative 4 and negative 18 are divided by 2? So first I will just write this negative 4 y plus minus This is 4y whole square minus of 4 minus 9. This will be 3y square plus 1. This will be divided by 2 times negative of 9. So first we need to solve this and we need to simplify this. So I'll just write negative of 4y plus minus under root. This 4y whole square will become 16y square, and so this will be 4 into 9, 36. This will be minus of 36, and with a negative sign this will become plus of 36. So this is basically going to be minus 36, and there is a negative sign, so this will become plus 36. So this 36 will be, I'll just write one plus sign here, multiplied by 3. So 36, 3 6 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 108. This will become 108y square plus this will be 36, and we'll have 2 9s are 18, so this will be minus of 18. Now what I will do, I will add these two, so this will become 124, I think, yup, minus 4y plus minus under root of 124y square plus 36 over minus of 18 minus of 4y plus minus. Now what I will do, here I'm going to tell you the answer, that why we are dividing this 124 and 36 with 4 and minus 4 and minus 18 with 2. So basically we can divide this minus 4 and minus 18 with 2 because 2 is the only common factor here for the 4 and 18. But here we can see that we can first thing is that we can divide this 124 and 36 with 4, but we cannot just factorize or cancel this 4. I'll just write this so that you can understand in a better way. So 124 will be 3 and 1, so this will be 31y square plus 9. This will multiplied by 4 minus 18. So if I take if I write this as the factor of 2, so this will become 2 into 2, this will become 2 into minus of 9. But here I have a 4 and I have a square root also. So if I take this 4 outside from this square root, then that will become 2. And if I get a 2 here, 2 here and 2 here, then I can take 2 common and I can just cancel these 2. So I'll just tell you in the next steps. So I will write this 2y plus minus, this will be negative of 9. Now this square root of 4 can be written as 2, so I can just take this 4 outside and it will become 2, and my square root term will be 331y square plus 9. Now we can see that we have these common terms of 2 here, so I can just take 2 common from this, from the numerator, so it will become minus of 2y plus minus square root of 31y square plus 9, and 2 is also given in the denominator, and I can just cancel these terms. But if I suppose if I took 2 here, then this 2, the square root of 2 is not 2, the square root of 4 is 2, so the square root, if I just divide this 124 and 36 with 2, then I will get a square root of 2, and then while doing the factoring while just simplifying this expression, we would be getting a root 2 here and a root 2 here. Just to cancel this, the root 2 which we'll get at this point. So therefore we needed to just remove as many numbers as we can. We need to just simplify as much as we can. Therefore, and plus this 124 and 36 was in the square root, so therefore we divided it with 4. That 4 will come out of the square root and it will become 2, and that 2 can be easily factorized or cancelled with other terms. So let's just check the solution given here. So what was done here is that the numerator and denominator were divided by root 4. So again, yeah, root 4 is basically 2 only, and yeah, so that is pretty much, this is kind of a more simplified solution. So yeah, the solution given here is correct. Good work. And the solution given here is correct. I just needed to just, yeah. So we have another question. I'll just cross check. Yeah, so it is working. So I'll just scroll this. This was question number 3. So this will be, I will use, which color is this? This is gray, this one is black, this one is galaxy. I'll go with black only. Question number 4. So what are the quotient and remainder when 19 is divided by 7? So I'll just draw the division one. So this is 19 and this is 7. So 19 is the denominator, sorry, 7 is the denominator, and this 19 is the numerator. Now I'll just do the division, so I can see that I can take 2 times of 14 and I will get 0.5. So whatever I'm getting here is basically the quotient. Quotient, and whatever number I am getting at the last of the division, which cannot be further divided until we are taking the decimals. So that number, that integer number, or yeah, we can go for decimals also, it is not a big problem. We'll get the answer in decimal, but yeah, to keep things simple here, just to keep things simple and to deal with integers only, we can say that this 5, which cannot be further divided by 7, is basically the remainder here. And we have a rule which says that numerator is always equal to quotient into the denominator plus remainder. So if I write 19 as quotient is 2 and denominator is 7 and the remainder will be 5, this will be 14 plus 5 will be 19, and here we are getting 19. So this is pretty much all. Like what else we can do in this question? This is a very basic question, and yeah, these kind of questions have these kind of solutions only. So the solution given by junior tutor is also correct. Solution is correct. Good work. So this will be question number 5. So it has two parts. I'll just first start with A part. So we have been given with an expression that is x minus 3 whole cube plus 8 as the sum of two cubes and then we need to simplify. So just simplify. So for this I'm going to use a property which is a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Now we can clearly see that the first term, if we treat this x minus 3 as a, then the first term is in cube, so we have the a cube here. But if we go for this, if we see for this 8, then this 8 is not in a cube term, and what I can do is that I can take the cube root of 8. So I know, well basically I know this, that the cube root of 8 is 2. So suppose if I write this as x minus 3 whole cube plus 2 cube, then I can see that according to this expression, my a can be x minus 3 and my b can be 2 here. So the first part of this question as the sum of two cubes, so we have successfully written this x minus 3 whole cube plus 8 as the sum of two cubes. Now we are going to simplify this using the identity here. So I will write a, so this will be x minus 3 and this will be plus b, which is 2. Then here we have x minus 3 whole square, then we have 2 square, then we have minus of x minus 3 times 2. So here if I see minus 3 and plus 2 will give minus 1, x minus 1. I'll just open this using the identity of, so this is a minus b whole square as a square plus b square minus 2ab. So I'll use this identity to expand this expression. So this will be x square plus 9 minus 2 3 are 6, 6x. This will be 4, and this will multiply with 2, so this will be 2x minus 3 and minus sign is there. This will come minus 2x plus 6. Now x minus 1, this is x square, and here we do not have any other x square, so I'll just write it like this. We have, now we'll go for the x terms. So we have negative of 6x and we have negative of 2x, so this will become negative of 8x. So this term is done, this one is done, this one is done. So this will be negative of 8x, and then we have 9, 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 will be 10. This will be plus 19. So let us cross check. So here in the solution you can see some gaps here. So these gaps are nothing, basically these gaps have a minus sign, but there is some technical error, that's why they cannot be printed here. So whenever we see any gap, then the gap is nothing but a minus sign there. So if we see for the final solution of a part, it is x minus 1. Then there they have x square minus 4x plus 19. While we are getting x, it is at it as minus 8x. So I can see that here they have done a mistake. So basically they have not multiplied this minus sign also with this x, and they have taken this minus sign or multiplied this minus sign with 3 only. So here they have done a mistake. Let's check for b also. So for b we have 2a plus b whole cube minus b cube. We need to specify this as the difference of two cubes. And then we need to simplify. So I'll just write simplify. Now the thing is that we do not need to do anything. I'll just write the property. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. So for the first part of this question, first part of this b part, we can see that if we take 2a plus b as a and b is b as b only, so we can clearly write, or we do not have to do anything. We can clearly say that this is already given as the difference of two cubes. So this is the a part, this is a cube minus b cube. So this 2a plus b, we have taken this as a. And now we'll just use this identity to expand this. So I will get a minus b, so this will be 2a plus b minus b. Then we have 2a plus b whole square plus b square plus 2a plus b into b. So I will again use one identity, this will be a plus b whole square, and this will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I'll use this identity to expand this one. First I'll just solve the first part. So this will become plus b and minus b, so this will cancel. So we are left with 2a only. Now here I'm going to do the expansion of this term using this identity. So this will become 4a square plus we have b square, and this will be 4ab. Then we have the b square term here, plus we'll multiply this b with 2a, so this will become 2ab, and we have one more b square. Now I will first write this 4a square because there is no other a square term. So this is over, and then I will go for the b square term. So we have 1 2 3, so we have 3b square. Then we have the ab term, which is 2 plus 4, it is 6ab. So the final expression we are getting after simplifying as plus 6ab. So let us check. Yeah, so the b part here given by junior tutor is correct. In the A part they have messed it up a little bit, so I'll just write this. Solution for A is wrong because in step 2 minus of 2 x minus 3 is, it will be minus of 2x. So this is minus of 2x plus 6, while here the minus sign is not multiplied with 2 with x term, and the final answer was x minus 1, then this will be x square minus 8x plus 19. Solution for B part is correct. So we'll go for solution is incorrect. Now this was question number 5. We'll go for question number 6. I'll use red pen now. So which expression is equivalent to the given expression? Assume the denominator does not equal to 0. So the expression given here is 12 x power 9 y power 4 over 6x cube y square. Okay, so we need to simplify this. So first I'm going to tell you one identity, so that what we can do, suppose if we have x square in the denominator, then this can be written as x square with a minus sign. So the power, so the term can be written in the numerator, but we need to add a negative sign to the power. Or suppose it is x power n, which can be written as x power minus n. So this is the kind of property or approach we are going to use in this question, and we need to use one more. So if the basis of the power is same, so suppose if I have an expression like let's say a power 9 plus, not a plus, not plus plus plus, I have a power 9 into a power, let's say 10. So if these numbers are multiplied and if the bases are same, so you can see that base is same, which is a, so we can add the powers, like, and this will become a power 19. So for this one, what we'll do, first we can just directly say that we can just directly divide this 12 with 6, so this will become 2. So I have 2 here, Then I have x power 9, y power 4, and I will use this property to take this x and y term on the numerator. So this will become x power minus of 3 and y power minus of 2. Now I already told you that if we have same bases which are multiplied, then we can just add up the power. So this will become x power 9 minus 3, and we have y, this is 4, and this will be minus of 2. So this 9 minus 3 will be 6, and 4 minus 2 will be 2. This is the final answer which we are getting. So let's just check that this answer is given in these options or not. So this one, yeah, so the last option is the correct answer. Let us check the solution given by Junior Tutor. So yeah, they have also done in the same way. So again, yeah, I can just write correct solution. Good work. And the solution is correct. So this one is question number 7. Now I will use black pen. So we need to find the expression in the equivalent term. So the expression given here is 3x plus 4y equal to 15, and we can see that the expressions here is in solve for y. So what I will do, I will subtract 3x from both the sides. So this is 3x plus 4y equal to 15. I'll just subtract 3x from both the sides, and this will become 4y equal to 15 minus 3x. Now what I can do is I can just divide both the sides with 4. So I will get y equal to 15 minus 3x over 4. So let us just see that do we have, yeah, so the first option given here is the exact same expression which we are, or the exact same equation which we are getting in the answer. So the answer here is the first expression or the first equation, and the, yeah, so the solution given by Junior Tutor is also correct. So I'll just write correct solution. Good work. Okay, so we have question number 8. Question 8. I will do this with red pen. So we need to solve for x. So we have, I'll start with a log of base 2 3x plus 2 equal to log base 2 and 8. So first I will bring this log on the left hand side. So this will become log of 2 3x plus 2. I'll just subtract log of 2 from both the side. Log of 8 with base 2, so this will be log of 2 8 minus log of 2 8. I will get log of 2 3x plus 2 minus log base 2 of 8, and this will be 0. Now I will use the property of log, which is log a minus log b is log of a over b. So I will use this. So I will take this 3x plus 2 as a and 8 as b. So I will get log base 2 of 3x plus 2 over 8, and that will be 0. So what I will do here again, I will take another property. Suppose log of a with base b is equal to, let's say, c, then my a will be b power c. So what I will do, if I take this 3x plus 2 over 8 as a, this 2 as b, and c as 0, then I can write 3x plus 2 over 8. The thing that if we raise any number to the power of 0, then that number will be nothing but 1. So it is like we are multiplying 2 with nothing, so it will be just 1 only, and this will become, I don't know what is happening. I'll just multiply 8 on both these sides. So this 8 and 8 will get cancelled here, and I will get 3x plus 2, which is equal to 8. I can subtract 2 from both the sides, so minus 2 minus 2, so this will be 0 and this will be 6. So 3x will become 6. I can divide both these sides with 3, so this will become 1 and this will become 2. So I will get x as 2. I think we are back. Are we back? Yep, we are back. Now for the b part. So for the a part, we get the answer as property of log, which says that n log let's say base a with b will b power n. So this power n can be, so this n can be taken as the power of the term on which log operator is applied. So if I use this property on this middle term and the last term, I can write this as log of a with base 5 minus this is b, and this 2 will be taken in the power, so it will become b square plus this log of 5, this will become c cube. Now I will use another property, so I'll use two properties of log. First one is log of a. Now I'll not write the bases again and again. Log of b will be log of, this will be a divided by b square, and I will have log of c cube with base 5. Now I will use the second identity, so my a over b square will be treated as a here, and the c cube will be treated as this b. Then I can write this as, this will be a over b square into c cube, or a c cube over b square. So we have successfully written this b part in a single log. I'll just cross check this with the senior tutor. So a c cube over b square, yeah, so the solution given for b part also is correct. Therefore we'll just write solution given here is correct, good work. So I think so that is pretty much all for this session, and if you like this session, then please do hit the like button, and please do subscribe the channel also if you have not subscribed, and you can also hit the bell icon so that you can be always updated with our next streams. And this was Devansh, the senior tutor at OneClass, and if you need any homework help, or if you need any tutoring help, or if you want to submit your own questions, then you can check the links in the description below. And I will just end this session now, and if yeah, so if you need any help, you can always check the links there, and that is pretty much all. So I hope to see you soon in the next video. So till then, bye.